In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Copilot settings with ease and flexibility. We'll be focusing specifically on adjusting your language preferences, enabling multiple languages, and learning how to switch languages as needed during use. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone just trying to broaden their linguistic capabilities, these steps will empower you to get the most out of your Copilot experience. To kick things off, you'll want to open your Copilot settings. This is your main hub for personalizing your Copilot experience. Typically, you can find the settings option located in a drop-down menu, often represented by an icon that looks like a gear. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see an array of options designed to tailor your interaction with the software. For our purposes, keep your eyes peeled for the section labeled Language Preferences. This is where all the real magic happens in terms of language configuration. Once you've located the language preferences, you'll want to enable the feature that allows for multiple languages. This is crucial because it ensures Copilot can seamlessly operate in different languages as per your needs. When this feature is activated, you have the flexibility to work in a multilingual environment, perfect for a global workspace or for those who are multilingual themselves. Make sure to carefully review any prompts or instructions, ensuring that the settings change successfully. There might be a save button or an automatic confirmation depending on the version you're using. With the multiple languages setting enabled, you're now free to switch languages as needed during your interactions with Copilot. You'll find this option either in the main settings or as a quick access feature somewhere prominent within the application. This kind of adaptability is especially helpful when you're juggling tasks that require different languages, whether drafting emails, writing reports, or communicating with international collaborators. To switch languages, simply select the desired language from a list provided by Copilot, and you're good to go. As you become more familiar with this feature, remember that the more languages you enable, the more versatile your Copilot will be. Be sure to revisit your language settings regularly. Languages may not just pertain to input, but also Copilot's language for assisting you, offering a more accurate and relevant performance when you need it most. By following these steps, you've empowered yourself to tailor Copilot to suit your linguistic needs. Whether you're using it for work, study, or just personal entertainment, these versatile settings enable truly customized interaction. I hope this guide helps you make the most of your experience. Don't forget to explore